Hello dear students, welcome you all. I am Mrs. Sujata Turle from Kekewak Polytechnic, Nasik. In this video, we are going to discuss about the measures of dispersion, that is the mean deviation for the raw data and the ungrouped data. The learning outcome: after watching this video, the students will be able to find the mean deviation about mean for the raw data and the ungrouped data. So first we'll see the mean deviation. Mean deviation is an absolute measure of dispersion. It is the arithmetic mean of all the absolute deviations from any of its averages, either mean or median. But in this lecture, we take this average as a mean. So how to find the mean deviation? Here it is a formula here for the raw data. As we know, in raw data, we have given that the observation. So to find the mean deviation, the first step we have to find out the mean, that is x bar. And the formula is summation of xi upon n. That means the sum of all these observations divided by total number of observations. And then find out this mod of xi minus x bar. Subtract this mean x bar from each of this observation and then take the mod of that value. This mod, or it is also called as the absolute value, means the absolute value or the mod of any number is always positive. So take the mod of this value, mod of that value. Then the formula for the mean deviation is summation of mod of xi minus x bar upon n, where this n denotes the total number of observation. Second one is ungrouped data. In ungrouped data, we have given that the observation and its corresponding frequency. So to find the mean deviation, the first step is to find the mean, that is x bar, which is equal to summation of fi into xi upon summation of fi. So to find the mean, prepare the table like this. In first column, write down the observation, that is xi. In second column, write down frequency, that is fi. In third column, find out this fi into xi. Just taken out the multiplication, fi into xi. Then in next column, find out mod of xi minus x bar. And at the last column, just taken out the product of this fi into mod of xi minus x bar. And at the last, just take the summation of fi into mod of xi minus x bar. So the mean deviation is equal to summation of fi into mod of xi minus x bar upon summation of fi. Here it is the formula to find the mean deviation for ungrouped data. Now let us discuss some example. The first example is calculate the mean deviation about mean of the following data: 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. So the solution is to find the mean deviation. The first step we have to find out the mean. So to find the mean, here first write down all these observations, that is xi, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. And at the last, just taken out its sum. The sum of all these observations, which is equal to 50. Now the next step is to find out the mean. As we know the formula for the mean. The mean x bar is equal to summation of xi upon n. Now substitute the value. As we know the summation of xi, which is equal to 50, and n, that means the total number of observations. There are total 5 observations. So the mean x bar is equal to 50 upon 5. Let's simplify this. Then we get the mean x bar is equal to n. Now to find the mean deviation about mean, the formula is summation of mod of xi minus x bar upon n. So to find this mean deviation, we have to find out this mod of xi minus x bar. So let us find out this mod of xi minus x bar. Here to find out this, just subtract this mean, that is x bar, from each of these observations and then take the mod of that value. Note that the mod of any number is always positive. So for the first one, for the first observation 6 minus x bar is equal to 10. So 6 minus 10 is equal to minus 4, and mod of minus 4, which is equal to 4. For the second one, 8 minus 10, which is equal to minus 2, and mod of minus 2, which is equal to 2. Then next one, 10 minus 10, 0. 12 minus 10, which is equal to 2, and mod of 2 is equal to 2. Next, 14 minus 10 is equal to 4, and mod of 4 is equal to 4. And at the last, just taken out the sum of all these value. It is 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 12. Now substitute this value in the formula. Here, summation of mod of xi minus x bar upon n. So the summation of mod of xi minus x bar, which is equal to 12 upon n. There is a total number of observation, which is equal to 5. So 12 upon 5. Just simplify this. Then we get the mean deviation is equal to 2.4. That is the last answer. Second example, calculate the mean deviation about mean of the following distribution. Here we have given that the marks and the number of students. So it is the ungrouped data. The solution is, first step we have to find out the mean. For that, first write down all this observation, that is xi. That is 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. In next column, write down its frequency. The frequency is 3, 12, 18, 12 and 3. And at the last, just taken out the sum of all this frequency, which is equal to 48. Now, the next column is find out fi into xi. Just taken out the multiplication. This 10 into 3, 30. Next one, 11 into 12, which is equal to 132. Next one, 12 into 18, which is equal to 216. Next, 13 into 12, which is equal to 156. Then 14 into 3, 42. And at the last, just taken out its sum. Then summation of this fi into xi, which is equal to 576. Now we have to find out the mean. The mean x bar is equal to summation of fi into xi upon summation of fi. Just substitute the value. Then we get here 576 upon 48. Just simplifying the terms, then we get this mean x bar is equal to 12. As we have to find out the mean deviation, and the formula is the mean deviation is equal to summation of fi into mod of xi minus x bar upon summation of fi. Here, as per this formula, now we have to find out this mod of xi minus x bar. So let us find out this mod of xi minus x bar. Here, the value of x bar, which is equal to 12. Subtract this 12 from each of these observations and then take the mod of that value. So we get here for the first one 10 minus 12 minus 2, and mod of minus 2, which is equal to, then 11 minus 12 minus 1, and mod of minus 1, which is equal to 1. Next one 12 minus 12, 0. Next 13 minus 12, 1, and mod of 1 is equal to 1. 14 minus 12, 2, and mod of 2 is equal to 2. And then last column is, we have to find out this fi into mod of xi minus x bar. Just taken out the product of these two terms. Then we get here this 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Then 12 into 1 is equal to 12. Then 18 into 0, which is equal to 0. Then this 12 into 1, 12. 3 into 2, 6. And at the last, just taken out the sum. That is 6 plus 12 plus 0 plus 12 plus 6, which is equal to 36. Now substitute this value in this formula. The summation of fi into mod of xi minus x bar, which is equal to 36. And summation of fi, which is 48. So 36 upon 48, which is equal to 0.75. It is the mean deviation for the given distribution. That is the last answer. Thank you.